What's new on Facebook? Facebook has launched an updated full-screen video player designed to enhance the viewing experience for Reels, longer videos, or live streams. This update could help businesses better capture user attention and deliver more immersive content. Of course, this is to compete with YouTube. If you followed me for a while, you would have heard me say you've always got to understand when a platform brings out a feature, it's not just because they want to bring out a feature. You have to look at the reason why they're bringing out the feature. Yes, they're competing with other platforms, but they also want to keep your audience on that platform for longer. They perhaps want to bring out more opportunities for ads revenue because it's longer form content. They don't want your audience to go off the platform. So this, again, is another way to keep everything in-house. Goes along with the fact that platforms are now having all their shopping in-house. So we've seen TikTok Shop come out. Soon we're going to see Meta do the same with their own in-house shopping, etc. And of course, it's a great way for your content to be seen. So if a new feature comes out, use it. You've got more chance of your content being pushed out. If you have longer form pieces of content, so particularly if you've got a YouTube channel, make sure that you start to get your videos ready and repurpose them to your Facebook channel. Use keywords in your title such as how to, because people who don't know you, these are the kind of things that they'll be searching for. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or follow for more daily social media marketing tips.